The judge in this case is planning to hold hearings and potentially appoint an outside lawyer if the Justice Department does not take the steps to comply with his new order. The Trump administration is planning to appeal. Justice is appealing another case trying to skirt a judge's demand for information about a wrongly deported man to El Salvador.
If he ever ends up back in the United States, he would immediately be deported again.
The Trump administration says Kilmer Abrego Garcia, a married father with asylum protection living in Maryland, will stay in El Salvador.
He is not coming back to our country.
Despite previously acknowledging his wrongful deportation, Trump officials saying they do not intend to bring him back.
There was no situation ever where he was going to stay in this country. None. None.
A judge now determining whether to undertake contempt proceedings in that case, saying officials have done nothing to effectuate Abrego Garcia's release.
Lie after lie after lie coming out of the White House.
As Maryland Senator Chris Van Hollen traveled to El Salvador and met with the country's vice president, unable to visit the prison where Abrego Garcia is being held.
They're gaslighting the American people on this case. So they can say what they want, but in the United States of America, at least so far, we respect the rule of law.
The White House is countering Abrego Garcia's case by highlighting the case of Rachel Morin. She is a Maryland woman who was killed by an El Salvadoran who was in the U.S. illegally. Abrego Garcia's attorneys clarified he has never been convicted of a crime. In Washington, I'm Amy Lowe.